How to crop video in Capcut for TikTok. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to crop a video to fit your TikTok videos. After you open the Capcut, now import the video to timeline. So now here is the video that I want to crop. So all you have to do after you select the video like this, just click on this crop button. After you click on this crop button, so now go ahead and click on this free button. So under this, now scroll to down and click on this 9:16. After you select the 9:16, now here is the TikTok video cropping size. So all you have to do now, take this crop section to the position of the video to make sure it's center. After you center the video, you can play the video. So as you can see now, after you center the video, just click on this confirm. So from there, the video has been cropped. So after that, just click on this ratio. After you click on this aspect ratio, scroll to down and select this 9:16 again. So from there, the video has been turned into a TikTok video size. So from there, you can play your video. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.